Hello everyone, you were asking me to do some cheesecake for you. So today, I'm gonna show you how you can make this beautiful strawberry no-bake cheesecake at home. So let's do it. On this cake, there are gonna be 4 layers: biscuit base, cream cheese mix, strawberry gel, and fresh strawberries in translucent gelatin. So let's start with my biscuit base. I have here these basic biscuits, and I'm gonna blitz them first with machine. But of course you can do it even with the hands. You can do it nice and fine as I have, or you can leave it a little bit more rough. That's up to you. Then I'm gonna melt some butter in the microwave and I mix both together. I leave full recipe with exact amounts in the description below so you can check it out. Now I can transfer it inside the baking mold. I press it properly so it gets stick, and then I move it inside the fridge so everything gets set. So the base is done. And now let's start with my strawberry cream cheese mix. So first, I'm gonna mix cream cheese and sour cream inside the bowl. This bowl was a little bit too small, so I'm gonna put it inside a bigger bowl and mix it properly with a whisk. Then I put my sugar in and mix everything properly. And let's give a little bit of cream cheese to my food inspector so we find out if the quality is good. And it looks like he likes it, so let's continue. I leave my cream cheese mix on the side and I start making my strawberry puree, which I'm gonna mix with this cream cheese mix, and I also use it for my strawberry gel. I have here around 1 kilo of fresh strawberries, so I wash them first and then cut out the green leaves. I keep half amount of the nice ones for my garnish later on, and the rest I gonna chop and use for my puree. I mix strawberries, sugar and lemon juice inside a pan, and I'm gonna cook it on medium heat until the strawberries gets very soft. At this stage, you can transfer it inside a blender and blend it for a few minutes. I put it inside the fridge to cool it down a little bit, and in the meantime I mix a little bit of milk and gelatin powder. And then in big mixing bowl I mix heavy cream and sugar, and I'm gonna make nice whipped cream, but not too thick, just like a medium thickness, so you can nicely mix with your cream cheese later on. Something like this. I melt my gelatin inside the milk in the microwave for around 5 seconds. And now let's mix all together. So I have here my cream cheese with sour cream. Then I put my cold strawberry puree. Then milk with gelatin. And then I finish it with my whipped cream. I just combine everything carefully and then I put it on top of my biscuit layer. Press it down so you have nice flat layer, and I'm gonna put it inside the fridge for a few hours to set. So the cake is inside the fridge, and next thing I have to do is to prepare my strawberry gel. I mix gelatin powder with cold water. I leave it for around 10 minutes on the side to get hard, and then I melt it again in the microwave for around 5 seconds. Now you can mix it with your strawberry puree. And when your cake is cold enough, you can put your jelly on the top and again transfer it inside the fridge and let it set again. And don't forget to make it nice and flat so you end up with nice layers later on. I leave the cake inside the fridge until the strawberry jelly gets set, and the last layer is gonna be fresh strawberries with translucent lemon jelly. So I prepare my gelatin mix the same as before, in the water and then microwave. And in the second pot, I mix water, sugar and fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna bring it to the boil and then I leave it on the side to cool it down a little bit. And in meantime, I prepare my strawberries. So on the side of the cake, I'm gonna use halves, and in the middle, I put nice whole strawberries. Now I can mix my gelatin with warm lemon water. I'm gonna burn the top with a blue torch so I get rid of all the bubbles. And now I can put my mix on top of the strawberries. But you want to do this stage in 2 steps, because if you put too much water, the strawberries start to float on the top. So just put half of the liquid, leave it to set inside the fridge for some time, and then add second half of the liquid. At this stage, I would recommend to leave the cake inside the fridge overnight so everything gets set properly, and the next day you can take it out. And you should end up with something like this: beautiful strawberry cheesecake. Super cool layers and very tasty. Let's cut one piece so we see how is it inside. And I think this one is success. Looks beautiful. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn another recipe with strawberries, check out this video and learn how you can make delicious dessert with strawberries, lime meringue, vanilla chantilly and strawberry sorbet. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.